Good morning, good morning, good morning. I realize I have to adjust this necklace I'm wearing, but this is what I'm wearing today. I'm putting on one of my trusty earrings. I don't think I've ever really shown you this earring, that this earring really looks like a clothes pin that you would hang clothes on the line. My sister gave this to me, umpteen years ago. You probably can hear a pattern or see a pattern with me, with my jewelry. And that most of it, my sister did give to me. This necklace is stainless steel. It is silver and gold. So I can wear either silver or gold with it. And this is how I'm going today. I'm going to stop to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. I thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, press that subscribe button and the notification bell. So you will know when I upload another video. And I've been uploading often. Today, I want to show you something. My hair is not perfect. I braided and banded my hair last night because it needed to be shampooed. It needed cleansing, guys. It had this weird feeling to it. And I had not shampooed my hair in over 2 weeks. I'm just going to take these plaits out. I'm not sure if I am going to run my fingers through them. I don't always run my fingers through my hair. My hair is not completely dried. It's a little bit damp. So I usually pull my hair like that. It's not so easy to do when it's not completely dried. But I just want to show you one lock that I have noticed for some time. And I'm not sure what's going on with it. And if you know what it is, please let me know. I don't know everything that's going on with it. You don't usually hear me say, okay, it's budding, it's bunching, all those terms, but I know that it's flourishing and that it's healthy, except for this one lock. And I'm going to show you this lock.
As a matter of fact, this lock might show itself.
And we're making our way to that lock. Here it is. I braided banded my hair last night. I took the bands out before I went to bed. I am going to try to show you this lock. I'm going to get this towel and I'm going to lay it. It's as difficult to show you as the lock has been being with me. There it is. Just the same lock right here. It's hanging down. I want you to know that this lock is a bit thin right in here. Then there's that curl on the end. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm going to try to show you the complete lock. That lock seemed to be longer than any other lock. I sort of understand the thinness of it because it is in a place where my edges are thin. They've always been thin. So right here, this lock has grown longer, I think, than any other lock. It is very, very thin. This is something this lock was probably established from little tiny edges early on. And now it's showing itself saying, hey woman, look how much I've grown. But it is really thin. And I'm thinking right in here seems to be thinner than any other place. So when I go get my retightening, if this thinness is still here, and when I say still here, if it didn't pop off or something, then I will address it with my loctician. But if you know what's going on there, or if I have just explained my own hair to myself, just let me know. But I wanted you to see that there were imperfections in my hair. I often get compliments about my hair. Look, it's hanging down here all by itself. All by itself it's hanging. It is so straight. I don't know what that looks like back there, but I'm going to make sure I don't have any spaces. And I'm not going to I am not going to carry my hands all the way through. I have a plait that's still in there. It's right here. Why didn't you tell me that? You know you should tell me because you say you love me. I really feel good this morning. Yes, I do. And I hope you do too. Have a wonderful day. I'm a sister who love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because he's so good to me. I really feel good today. I do. I really do. And I thank God for that. I thank God for that. I am getting ready to go out and I want you to have a wonderful day.